Right, ni just offset nawr gyda'r un o'r unig, Richard Wilson. Richard, pleasure to meet you.
Hi, how are you doing?
Very good. Yourself?
Good. Fine, thank you.
Okay, you just filmed your last scene. You're wrapped for the series now. How does that feel?
It feels, well, because I've got another job in the theatre at the moment, it's sad, but also a bit of a relief.
Right. You're going to do 12th night, are you?
Doing 12th night, yeah.
So no rest. I was going to say for the wicked, but...
No, I'm not a wicked character, no. No rest, no. Straight back to rehearsals tomorrow.
Okay. Could you tell the viewers a bit about your character, Gaius?
I'm Gaius, and I am Merlin's mentor, basically.
Right.
I knew his mother very well. In fact, we were sort of brought up together, his mother and I. So she sent him to Camelot because she was finding him a bit out of control, but because his magic is very natural to him. And of course, as you know, in Camelot, magic is banned, so I've had to sort of train him to keep it down a bit.
Okay.
But then every now and again, as we're now in the end of the second series, I sometimes say to him, you've got to do a bit of magic here, or you've got to go and speak to the dragon.
Okay. Have you enjoyed your time filming in Wales?
Very much, yes.
How long have you been here?
Well, off and on, well, quite a lot, since this is the second series, obviously. We do 13 episodes, so a lot of time in Wales.
So you get to go back home as well in the meantime, do you? Or
I get back home quite a lot. Yes, it's because we're in France as well as Wales, it's nice to get home.
Okay, and someone told me that you get off to watch the football a bit as well.
Well, they don't give me time off.
No, I know.
But, I did get to see Manchester United, Man City. I'm a Man U fan.
I think we're going to have to end it there. Well, no, that's fine. Did you enjoy the game, though?
It was one of the best games I've ever seen,
Yeah.
The City Derby game. It was just so exciting and wonderful to be there.
So, there you go. Brilliant. Oh, the shoes. I've heard something about your shoes as well, sorry.
My shoes are interesting because inside these boots, there's a pair of Nikes.
Wow.
If I undo the lace for you,
So you've got the comfort?
There, well, because the old feet, you see this? There is the Nike peeking through.
So you can do a bit of running as well, a bit of jogging in your time off.
When I went to see Spamalot in New York, Jim Dale was playing the Chief Knight, and he came on stage in full gold armor.
Yeah.
And I was very close, and I looked down to his feet, and he was wearing Nikes, painted gold.
So a tip from the top.
Tip from the top, but these are better because these look slightly medieval. If I had to let you into that secret,
I'd never have known.
It's never been shown on television before.
An exclusive,
A
then?
world exclusive.
Brilliant. Can I just, do you know any Welsh since your time here?
No, I did a motoring program where I was taught some Welsh. I was driving around in an old car, and I remember saying to my teacher, what's Welsh for a tailback? Because my car was so old, we had about an 8-mile tailback. What's Welsh for a tailback?
Oh, I don't know what it is. You've caught me out on the only Welsh word that I don't know. But I'll say diolch yn fawr, which is thank you very much.
Right, thank you very much.
Diolch yn fawr.
What?
Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch yn fawr.
Ah, pleasure. Thank you very much, Richard
Thank
Wilson.
you.